It's HRV 1. It's an ERV. It's got 2 fans. They are direct drive units, so no greasing, no maintenance. Have a look at them once in a while when you do your filter change. Just make sure that it is loose. That's supposed to be like that for isolation, so you don't get vibration from the motor. It's the same as the big one in the air handling room. This one has coarse or cassette section, so they are heavy. Again, same thing. They have a right through design, and they are to go in a certain way. Is that this one has a diagram too?
Yeah. There is a diagram included. It's just been left inside the control panel. Same thing, it shows you the sequence.
So that's very important how they go in, or else the air won't cross and do what it's supposed to. These have to be washed every 6 months as well up here, which is, it's tough because they are heavy. So you're best off to get probably a hose up here and something near a roof drain and give them a good rinse.
You'll want to make sure you have gloves on. They actually do have very sharp edges on them too. There's actually a second section with cores on this ERV as well. Same idea though. This ERV is exhausting the sanctuary and supplying fresh air to RTU number 1 and the big RTU number 2 that serves the sanctuary itself too.
This one does have a pre-filter section as well, which these are just throwaway ones. Lift up, pull it off, air direction. Slide them back in. These will be every 3 months again. And like I said, the cassettes or the cores will be every 6 months. Get it in. More pre-filters here. Same thing, lift up. We got an airflow direction. So these are gonna have both because they are, like Ryan mentioned before, the ERV flips every 30 seconds to a minute, depending on its air temperature. It'll flip, so each of these exhausts, top and bottom, will flip from an intake to an exhaust, back and forth, till it recovers all that energy out of the air stream. So they both change into intake exhaust. So they both have a pre-filter on both sides of the unit. Sorry.
And lastly, we have RTU2 that I mentioned earlier. RTU2 serves the whole sanctuary area, so as you can see, it's a big unit. But same idea as all the other units. Your pre-filters with filters behind. Regular filters every 3 months. Make sure you check. And just check these, wash these aluminum ones. Just soapy warm water. Just warm water. Clean them all out.
Yeah, just pull these screws and
Just have to pull the screws, the top channel off.
slide out.